Promises are meant to be broken is a lie. Only and only because I promised कि there will be new skincare in 2021. पूरा डब्बा भर के there is new skincare. So हुआ क्या कि the promise of course I had to honor, but it also became a necessity and not just a haul for that promise. When I started wearing masks and everything regularly, it was a very different thing for my skin. All of us are used to किधर भी बाहर जाना freely, but when there's whole elastic here, I started getting itchiness and a few pimples. देखो periods के time में भी बहुत rarely होता है, so that's when I figured it's because of this. I ordered skincare keeping that specific issue in mind, and Amazon Beauty has always been my go-to for skincare. Not just for the variety and the discounts, but also because the delivery is super fast even during lockdown. So many things I was able to get only because Amazon was delivering. Very happy to partner up with them for this video. Let's start. First product is from Dot & Key. Never tried the brand before. It was on a good sale, so that's why I thought कि चलो this is a good time to try. Thing is, I get quite scared जब भी कोई बड़े words आ जाते हैं. Hyaluronic serum concentrate. Normally काफी डर लगता है. That's why I like don't invest. Time I was like चलो let's take a leap of faith and go for this. So hyaluronic acid काफी चर्चा तो होती है उसके skincare world में. That's why I wanted to try some things which was specifically good with hyaluronic acid. So this is the packaging. Dot & Key का packaging काफी cute होता है. This is going to be a first impression. It has milky translucent texture. I've taken only one drop. Very cooling. Doing a patch test on my entire arm, but this feels so good. I really like it. Next thing is this face wash from Lakme Blush and Glow. यार face wash की तो बहुत चार हो रखी है. I've ordered one more set of skincare. इसमें भी मैंने 2-3 face wash लिए थे. इसमें भी 3 face wash है. Definitely give you a lot of variety. Let me smell it. प्लास्टिक कलर्स नहीं आते वैसी वाली स्मेल आ रही है इसकी. बड़ा हाई होप्स फ्रॉम दिस. थर्ड थिंग है ये मिनीसो का क्लेंजिंग ब्रश. ना आजकल ना फेस वॉशेस में बड़ा ये ट्रेंड निकला है ऑफ हैविंग अ फोमिंग ब्रश ऑन टॉप. इन केस यू डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन दैट, दिस इज अ गुड ऑप्शन. यू कैन जस्ट यूज एनी फेस वॉश विद दिस क्लेंजिंग ब्रश. It's too soft. बचपन में जब पापा का शेविंग ब्रश लेकर अपन एक्टिंग नहीं करते, this is softer than that shaving brush. This feels like a foundation blending kabuki brush. Very impressed. And personally, I do recommend shopping from Amazon Beauty. I've been shopping since years for skincare यहाँ से, and मुझे कभी भी डुप्लीकेसी का प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. My personal experience was really good. Fourth product is this Lakme का cleansing milk. मेकअप निकालने में बड़ा कंटाला आता है. So any and everything that gives me motivation to take makeup off, I will sign up for it. So when you rub this on makeup, it is supposed to take it off while not being rough or dry on your skin. And the bottle was MRP only at 140 rupees. Pretty impressed कि कुछ नया concept try करने मिल रहा है in this range. Next one is L'Oreal Paris का Pure Clay Mask. I love clay masks. However, I have a feeling कि ये मैंने पहले शायद try किया है. But since I don't remember, I purchased it. Now for me, charcoal and clay, these ingredients work like magic. This one is also meant for detoxifying. 5 से 10 मिनट रखना है, which is much quicker. Other mask that I was telling you about is from Dot & Key, and this is a vitamin C pink clay mask. यार आजकल vitamin C का तो trend हो रखा है skincare में. I should do something like trying only vitamin C skincare for a week. When it was newly launched and everyone was doing campaigns with Dot & Key, I was like, yaar, when will I get to see the bottle? Because it looks very cute. Such a different color. Smells like mayonnaise salad. Until I tried, I can't say anything. इसका purpose है glow reviving. You're not feeling the glow. Maybe that is when you should be using this. Here comes the thing I used today. This is the L'Oreal Paris Revital Lift 1.5% hyaluronic acid. इसमें percentage आ गया. I don't have knowledge about skincare, so I get a little nervous before using it. Is 1.5% a lot? Is it too less? What if it doesn't suit my skin? And then I saw the instructions and it made me feel calm. It was so refreshing. ऐसा लग रहा था कि पानी मेरे स्किन के अंदर फंस गया है. This is a glass bottle. I just like clear skincare for some reason. It says use daily before your moisturizer. Yeah, it's very rich. Both the hyaluronic serums are side by side, and it's too soon for me to compare, but both feel amazing is what I can tell you. Then I have this hair mask by Wow. I have used 6 tubs of the same hair mask. I tried some argan wala beech mein and it didn't work out for me. This was the one I decided to go for. This is a red onion black seed oil hair mask. This is the bottle, bright color here. Smells like a normal conditioner, but definitely will try and update me. Next comes the face wash one with that foamy head. 6 महीने पीछे चल रही हूँ. One has tried this a long time ago और मेरा अब time आ रहा है. This is the bottle again, vitamin C, the star product of skincare these days. इसको जो प्रेस करेंगे ना, यहाँ से फोम आना चाहिए, तो डायरेक्टली मुंह गीला करके बस इस पे लगाना. This is definitely a more convenient way to take off makeup. Again, I do have hopes from that, but I have higher hope from ये वाला face wash. This is also a foaming face wash, but ये है activated charcoal. Works beautifully. Charcoal sheet masks work really well for me. This is the first time I'm trying a foaming charcoal product. I really want this to work. There's like a perfume. First मैं ये वाला try करूँगी because my bias for charcoal is real. So the next product is this sheet mask from L'Oreal again, and it's the hyaluronic acid वाला sheet mask. But it's a little interesting. यहाँ से जब press करेंगे, like it mix with the serum on the spot. It's called only Vitamin Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Fresh Mix सीरम मास्क. Since the serum worked really well for my skin today morning, इससे मेरी उम्मीदें बढ़ गई है. The other sheet mask was this Micro Essence वाला sheet mask. Micro Essence is one of my most loved products. It's easy, it's convenient, it shows results. I'll try this on some day when I've experimented a lot already and I want to go back to basics. So I'll use this. Then I have something very unexpected. This is a नहाने का bar. I've tried body washes a lot, but some days I am so lazy body wash डालने का, गीला करने का, फिर लादे करने का, कभी-कभी मन नहीं करता. That is what I chose this one for. This one is called Basil and Parsley. उससे एक तो जो सुगंध आती, इतना मुझे ज़्यादा प्यार है parsley और basil से. अंदर से स्मेल है. It's a semi-circle shape. अच्छा रहेगा ये मुझे लगता है. Then I have another face wash which is also something new. It's a cream-based face wash. I think I've tried something like this 2 या 3 साल पहले. Nivea का new launch देख के I'm quite happy. It actually feels like a moisturizer, but even without water, इस पे हल्का सा foam आ रहा है. Plus there are particles of turmeric in it. इसमें जो लिखा है कि it's good for acne-prone skin and it cleanses and purifies. I agree to it. Another product that I have a good review for minimalist का Squalene, पता नहीं इसको pronounce कैसे करते हैं. Again नंबर आ गया and again a term that I don't understand. Squalene मैंने ना कभी पहले सुना है. Plus इसमें 100% आ गया. So I was so concerned कि what if it doesn't suit my skin. तो मैं बैठ के पूरा डब्बा पढ़ी. That's when I saw कि it's actually derived from olives. बहुत लोगों को बहुत सही लगते हैं minimalist के product. High time I try them and I share with you कि अपना experience कैसा रहा. The moment I put it on my skin ना, it felt like a very lightweight oil only. Like अभी भी ऑयल वाला टेक्सचर आ रहा है बट चिपचिप नहीं है. मैं ऑलिव ऑयल मेरे चेहरे पे डायरेक्टली बहुत लगाती हूँ. दैट यूज्ड टू मेक माय आईज बर्न और चिपचिप हो जाता थोड़ा सा. दिस इज अ फ्यू स्टेप्स अहेड ऑफ दैट. सेकंड लास्ट प्रोडक्ट दिस इज बायोटीक बायो हनी जेल रिफ्रेशिंग फोमिंग फेस वॉश. तेरे फेस वॉश मंगाए हैं. मॉम मेरे को डेफिनेटली डांटने वाली है. 5 फेस वॉश एक साथ कौन लेता है. बट आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. ओके, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टू शेयर स्किन केयर विद एंड आई हैव मोर रिव्यूज टू गिव यू क्योंकि सबके स्किन टाइप अलग अलग है हमारे. दिस वन इज हनी वाला एंड हनी इज नोन टू tighten skin. So let's see if this leaves our skin dry or not. इसका कैसा texture है. And our last product I think has the cutest packaging and this is the product I am most nervous to try. There are 2 words which I am a little scared of. 5% and then there's exfoliate. Try तो करना है but I was quite scared. If I do this wrong, skin gets damaged or something तो क्या होगा. This is one thing that I'm not going to use until you tell me or you give me some recommendations of other YouTubers who have tried this. समझती हूँ मैंने इसको कैसे यूज करना है. Then I'll go ahead and try this. Oh, इसका बॉटल भी कितना क्यूट है. हाँ, इस पे पीछे लिखा है dermatologically tested and 100% safe. और smells like a perfume. This spray भी है. You know what my mom will say? She say कि product खत्म होने के बाद मेरे को देना, मैं इसमें sanitizer भरूँ. Not making fun. So फिर मैं ही लेके जाऊँ. Cute spray. Try करते हैं. Let's see what this is. But this was our huge skincare haul with very interesting products. With some things I played very safe like the charcoal face wash and the charcoal mask. But some things I have been brave. AHA toner. Squalene तो खाने वाली चीज होती है. Squalene वो ऑलिव वाला ऑयल यार and hyaluronic acid वाला serum. It was a good healthy mix of products. But if you have any recommendations of which product works how and any directions or any experience you want to share with me, comment section is all open. It has to be like a huge kitty party discussion we do कि ये आपके लिए कैसा था, ये आपके लिए कैसा work नहीं किया. But if you like any of these products and if you want to go ahead and buy them, all the links are mentioned in the description box down below. Again, a big thank you to them for partnering up with us and I've always trusted Amazon Beauty with my skincare. You can also go ahead and do that. But if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future skincare reviews and hauls. And if you did not enjoy watching this video, bindas give it a thumbs down. I will see you in a brand new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.